On October 24th and 25th of this year, 2025, we're bringing a brand new fall tradition to one of America's most legendary tracks, the first ever Spirit of Wilkes show at North Wilkesboro Speedway. Cool cars, antiques, swap meet deals, vendors, food, and most importantly, friends. This is the show that feels like home. Oh, and wait till you hear about the special treat we have planned. I'll get to that in just a minute. This track isn't just about racing. It's about a community that refused to let this go, refused to let history fade. They poured their time, passion, grit, backs, resources into bringing this place back to life. Spirit of Wilkes is for them. It's for all of us that believe that when people come together around something they love, they can do incredible things. And we want you to be part of it. North Wilkesboro Speedway is more than a racetrack. It's a comeback story. This community fought hard to bring this place back to life. They deserve a show that celebrates their grit, their history, their love of cars. Spirit of Wilkes isn't just about the machines. It's about the people that believe this track could roar again, that wanted this place, that didn't want it forgotten. And now, we get to be part of that story. So here's how we're setting it up. I'm right here at the front main entry gate for a car. And right behind me, the two front parking lots, that's where we're gonna set up our swap meet vendors. Easy access for buyers and sellers. Everybody walk right through here. And then we've got pit road in the infield. Both sides of pit road with vendors, barbecue, fried food, you know, all the healthy stuff. Tons of energy from shoppers milling about, making deals, enjoying the cars. And the heart of it all right here behind me, the infield car show. Wide open canvas for individuals and car clubs alike. Awards, trophies, and let's not to mention bragging rights. So if you've got a cool car you're proud of, we want to see it. Awards will go to top picks in each class. What does that get you at most shows? Nice trophy, some recognition. But here at North Wilkesboro Speedway, you get to ride up the elevator and bring your car up here in the winner's circle to receive your trophy and get your picture taken. How cool is that? Pit road here is a natural marketplace. Flat, wide, built for crowds. With our market reach, we're gonna drive serious foot traffic to you. And don't forget the kids. Be sure to bring out the entire family, October 24th and 25th. Kid-friendly displays, cool cars, and we'll have our youth program tent out here to inspire the next generation of gearheads. So I spent a lot of time showing you all around this campus and this track about all the improvements and the upgrades that have been done here, but this is something that needs mentioning. This leaderboard, if you look closely, you can see, is still manually operated. And from what I've been told, the original family that has been operating this board for years still operates it to this day. Very, very special. Gates open Friday, October 24th, with 2 full days of action. Be sure to go online, pre-register your car now for $30 a car, and spaces for vendors start at $80 each. Everything you need is available online. It's almost a Ticketmaster type system. You can Google Spirit of Wilkes to sign up today and save your spot. Don't wait, register now. Now here's something truly special, something I'm super excited to announce. This year, Spirit of Wilkes, our first year, the Stock Car Classic Car Club is coming. And they're bringing their legendary vintage race cars that made this track and tracks like it famous. You can walk right up, take photos, and hear the stories behind these machines. Then, several times each day, we'll clear the track, close off the gate, and these classics will roar back to life in an orchestrated display run. trust me, you'll feel it in your chest. That's something you don't want to miss. It's going to be really cool. Mark your calendar, October 24th, 25th, 2025. The first Spirit of Wilkes is your chance to make history at North Wilkesboro Speedway. Show cars, swap meet, antiques, vendors, vintage stock cars, food, friends, and the kind of weekend you'll talk about for years. You don't want to miss it.